It's not every PC that can play any game in the world. Some PCs can play some games and others can play absolutely any game at all. Before you go and buy that game that you've been eyeing for the past year, let's check if your system can play that game first. So in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can check if your system can play that game. So first things first, go to the site. The site is Can You Run It? Once you're there, just search for the game you want to check if your PC can play. I'm going to check for Detroit Become Human. I'm going to say this game is one of the best games out there. The storyline is just cool. Click on Can You Run It after you found the game you want. It will download an app that will detect your system. Just wait for it to finish downloading, run it, then let it do what it's doing. Once it's done, it will tell you if you can play the game or not. As you can see, I can play that game, so now I'm free. I can buy the game and enjoy it. That's just it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Stop.